Hey, how to make money from Fiverr.com, or the easiest way to make money from Fiverr, $100 a day. Make money from Fiverr, $1,000 a day. How is it possible? So stay tuned up till the end, because I'll be laying you all the strategies on how you can make money from Fiverr by putting a small gig into Fiverr.com. So before that, what you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel, because I make videos on a daily basis where I talk more about how to make money from different strategies. Alright, so subscribe to my channel and get notified whenever I upload new videos. Alright, so let us go and dive into the topic today, which is called Fiverr. Alright, so you can see here the Fiverr, and I have just imported one service that I will do SEO management for your stuff. Okay, and you can see when I put this particular topic data, I found nearly about 20,000 results. And you can see here there are 20,000 people who are providing this one services, SEO management, right? Fiverr is all about getting services done at the pricing start with $5, right? And you can see here there are certain people, the gig starts at like $80. There are certain persons who gig starts at $60, $50, $20, and nearly $5. All right, so even you can do the same, even if you don't have technical skills, guys. Even if you don't have the SEO skills, in spite of that also you can make tons of money. So stay till the end. I will be laying you all the strategies. All right, so I just want to take in one example of this. Okay, you can see here I just click on this particular person who is charging $80. All right, so what you need to do over here is, you can see here the technical SEOs. He is doing something related with the technical SEOs, and you need to check all the information on for this $80 what the services is he providing it, right? So you can check in on, and like he's providing his services. Okay, he provides his services and the delivery is within 5 days. Okay, within 5 days you can get his services. All right, so this is one part. I just want to show you the other part over here is this. If I go to Fiverr Pro, okay, that is Fiverr Pro. This is Fiverr.com, and if I go to Fiverr Pro, okay, Fiverr Pro is more and more where you can make huge tons of money, and where top-notch companies actually hire you for the services. Okay, and you work with hand-vetted, uni-related talent on Fiverr, trusted by world biggest brands, and biggest brands actually hire pro-verified persons from the Fiverr. They don't go and check normal persons over here. The big top brands actually go with Fiverr Pro. All right, so why Fiverr Pro? Because you make tons of money with the same work what a person is doing for $10, $20, $50. All right, you just need to find in what kind of services with that $50 person he is charging. What kind of services is he providing it, where you can also charge for double the amount. Let me show you how. All right, so we would just go over here. I will design your own custom logo identity. You can see here this person is charging $2,100. All right, this person is charging $2,100, and you can see here he is providing custom logo and 3+ options and brand book. So this is what the services is he providing, and he is taking about 21 days delivery. And you can see here what kind of logos is he making. These are like really very simple. Okay, and there are certain people who have left. You can see here who have left the reviews. It means that this person is getting work for this basic, if I take a consideration of basic, $2,100. So he is getting work, and he is also making money from this particular basic. And if you can see with the standard, he is making $2,495, and if it is a premium, is making $1,000 extra. All right, so you have to just check what kind of information is he providing. You also can do the same. All right, but you can ask me, Suman, we don't have any information on what exactly this person is doing. We don't have any knowledge about the logos. Then how would we do the same what you are saying here? What we have to do over here is we just need to go Fiverr, okay? Find logo designs, logo animations, and you would find the ton with normal Fiverr homepage. You can see here, this is the normal Fiverr homepage, and you just need to go down and you need to do little research. You can see here, I will design your business logo and identity. Okay, the starting price is $70. I would click the same because which I clicked for $2,100 also was something similar. So what I want to do over here is I just need to go and compare. Okay, I just need to go and compare what this person is providing and if I can get certain help for this. Custom logos, 3 options, and brand book. Alright, so includes 2 logo options, definitely 5 divisions. Then he's providing 3 divisions, realistic mockup, and all HDs. And you can see here what are the services he's also providing for just basic $70. Alright, and here you can see here all the services which is providing, and again social media kit which is providing it, and if you even go for the premium $150, you can do the same. And the delivery time of this is 7 days, and here if you can see the delivery time is 21 days. So you definitely have tons of 3 weeks to deliver the same information, alright, where you can make $2,100. We call this services as flipping. Alright, so you can sign up. You can below this video you can find the link. Okay, you can sign up for Fiverr Pro. You can put something similar to this, and this is what you need to do it. Once you get an order, okay, once you get an order, you just need to go for checking, little digging with this information, and you just need to go and continue with this persons, right? You have to just, if you want, you can even talk to them, and whatever extra you wanted, you can pay them little $50 extra, and just check. You are paying just $150 or $200, and you are getting an ROI. Can you say this? One order can get you to make $2,000. How cool is that? How cool is that? How cool is that? And to make this particular custom logos, it hardly takes you about some 2 to 3 hours, or sometimes like 4 hours. And if you do have an information, if you do have a knowledge about how to create a logo like with Adobe or something like that software, then you can also start your company with Fiverr with paying. You get tons of $2,000, and even here if you can see like $3,500 for just doing one single work. Okay, just doing one single work. And you can see here they have got the reviews also. It means that they do have a work. All right, and the recent delivery which this person have done is 3 days back. It means that he has made $2,100 3 days back. So it means that it does work, and this strategies does work. Okay, it is not only with the logos. You can search even different strategies like with the SEOs. If you want, you can just check on. If you can, I will do SEO management for your site. When I click on this, you can see this person is charging $795. All right, so what you need to do is you need to check this information and go to the normal Fiverr homepage. Again, check the same information, and if you find someone, then you would see. So this would definitely help you to scale up your business. All right, so you can see here $795 this person is charging, and what you need to main focus is for $795 what he is providing the information, and what is the standard price, and what is the premium. So premium has all this information, and if you, as I shared with you the strategies, even if you do the same, all right, if you do the same, finding them, finding these particular stuff with low price. So once you get an order, okay, once you get an order, you again give an order to same Fiverr.com. All right, so once you give the same order, pay them from your pocket, say about $150 to $200, but you are getting an ROI of 10x. Okay, don't you think that you can make $1,000 from Fiverr without even lifting your fingers. All right, so this is the way you need to do. But what you need to do is you need to go for Fiverr Pro. You can get registered with Fiverr Pro. Of course, there is a charges which you need to make a payment, but that is the reason you get paid. Believe me, there are top-notch companies who hire only Fiverr Pro persons because the top-notch companies give you the quality work. Okay, they are handpicked professionals, so you get even trained from the Fiverrs. You get all this information and how to do it. And as I shared you just need to do it like flipping your services. All right, so once you put your gig, okay, some 3 to 4 gigs, and once you do little what you say is little tweaking, and once you get an order, this is what the flipping things you need to do it. Okay, you can even see here, okay, this is you can see here this person's, okay, what he is charging, $200. Okay, he is charging $200, and he is providing, you know, like 10 engaging articles. Okay, and it is the same. You can get it for say about merely for $20. So you just need to find this. Okay, and you can see here this person already has an order, so she has already made again at $200. Okay, and the quantity also you can place a number of quantities. Okay, so you never know how many quantities this persons have got the information or the payments, right? So and you can see here recent delivery was a day back, so every day she is making about $200, you know. So that is what you can say. There's a tons of money involved. The only thing you need to do is start right away. So below this video you would find the link to join Fiverr Pro, and believe me, this is what you need to do in order to make $1,000 a day. It is possible if you do whatever I shared you to do it. So if you like this video, if you have any questions, just comment below and subscribe to my channel to get more updates on how to make money online from different strategies. Thank you so much.